manufacturing with us?
We are here at the Westfield Electric Cord to find out what is so cool about manufacturing.
Manufacturing is when companies make products. At the electric cord, they make power cords for many different people and places.
I cover the entire warehouse as plant manager, the entire plant. So I tend to work out of what we call the podium area, and I do have an office, but I spend most of my time on the floor.
I really like the consistency of hours. Like you find like working at other places, you always be all over the place.
We measure and cut wire for different jobs throughout the facility.
Typically for a hospital bed.
What kind of work do you do?
It's assembly 3, so we build cabinetry, stuff like this. This is just the start of it. There's gonna be wires and stuff in it. You gotta read your schematics that's over here, and they'll tell you like where to run your wires, what wire gauge, all that.
Do you have
What do you do in this area?
In this area, I cut, pack, test, date stamp, and turn.
Okay.
The quality meets the standards the customer wants.
Do most of our wire testing, pole testing, term testing, mold testing, basically everything gets done in here.
That it's different every day. Every day it's different. We still make kit, we still may do inventory, but what we're dealing with every day is different. So it's always changing.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.